Hello users, I'm here to share a full walkthrough video about Qcall.ai, the smart solution for calling tasks. It simplifies your calling operations and improves engagement and sales results. If your business relies on calls, Qcall.ai is a total game changer. So let's get into how it works. Here you can see our sign-in page, where you can directly connect with Google or sign in through your email ID. I'll connect using my Google account and continue. This is our main dashboard. On the top right, you can see your available credits. After that, you can view total calls, call limit, total contacts, total campaigns, call metrics, campaign performance, call sentiment analysis, and if you already used the tool for calling, you can also see your recorded calls here. Below that is the campaign list. If you have multiple campaigns, you can track everything from here. Let's move to the sidebar. Under Assistance, you will find a few templates to help you get started. You can also create your own assistant. Let's see how that works. On the right side, click Create Assistant. Here, you'll see two options. One is Create from Scratch and second is Browse from Library. We'll start with Create from Scratch. Here you need to enter general information like type, language, company name, company website, agent name, goal from the drop-down, assistant face. Next is voice configuration. First, select a voice for your assistant, then choose the maximum duration in minutes. If you want to speed up the voice output, you can adjust it here. You can also generate a preview to test the voice. Next is wait for user response before starting speech. Enable this if you want the AI to pause and wait for the user before continuing. Then we have recordings. Enable this if you want to store conversations. And next is sensitivity. This controls how quickly text-to-speech responds after the user stops speaking. You can set it to auto or manual. Next is utterance word limit for interruptions. It defines how many words the AI will wait to hear from the user before it starts speaking again. You can also add filters here if needed. Next is AI prompt. Here, you can write the opening message and calling script. Before writing your own, make sure to read the instructions as they help you write an accurate and effective prompt for your assistant. There are also existing templates for scripts if you want to use them. And if you want help from AI to generate a script, that option is available as well. You can also add a knowledge base. Let me quickly show how to create one. In the sidebar, go to Knowledge Base, create Knowledge Base, give it a title, choose a language, and click Add to Knowledge Base. You have 4 options: manually add FAQ flashcards, upload a document, add a website URL for flashcards, upload flashcards in CSV format. Basically, it stores information about customer questions, nothing complicated. Next, you can add a hang-up call message. Then we have temperature. It controls how creative or predictable the AI responses will be. Next is sentiment, where you can see existing sentiment labels or add your own. After that, meeting notes generation. This automatically generates structured notes from calls, including key points, decisions, and action items. You can also add call outcome classifications such as successful, follow-up needed, not interested, etc. to track call effectiveness. Next is tools. Here you can select any tools according to your needs. After completing all the settings, click Create and your assistant is ready. Now, let's look at Browse from Library. This is where you can select a template from the library. I'll choose Customer Support Specialist. All fields get filled automatically because the template already contains the setup. That's the difference between Create from Scratch and Browse from Library. This makes the process faster. Next is Playground. If you want to call an individual contact, you can create one here by adding the mandatory details and clicking Create. After that, we have Dialers. Here you can add your dialers using Twilio, Telnyx, or VOIP SIP. Fill in the required fields to validate the details, add the phone number, click Create, and your dialer will be added. Next is Campaigns. This is where you create your calling campaigns. Enter the required details like campaign name, voice assistant, dialer, and segment list. If you want automation, enable syncing, so new segment data will automatically be added while the campaign is running. In Schedule, set the date and time when you want to run the campaign and choose the drip mode. Add batch quantity for outgoing calls and select days and time zone. Finally, click Save and your campaign will be created. Let's move to the sidebar integrations, where You can integrate third-party apps or REST APIs based on your needs. If you need more information about Qcall, you can access our full documentation from here. Now, you've seen what Qcall is and how it can automate your calling work in just a few clicks. If you have any questions, simply comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. We are also starting a short series, so click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post something. Currently, Qcall is completely free to try. Visit our landing page and click Start for free. See you soon in the next video. Until then, keep calling and keep growing.